New tonight, state inmates 70 and older will soon get their vaccinations. The Department of Corrections is set to start administering the first doses tomorrow. Then staff will also get their shots. This news comes following a debate over when to vaccinate inmates. There have been COVID-19 outbreaks at detention facilities, one of the largest, the El Paso County Jail. And after the ACLU filed suit against the jail, the facility will be required to provide masks and follow stricter health protocols. CBS 4's Karen Morfitt live tonight with an update for us. And Karen, the ACLU says they hope this case can be an example for facilities all across the state.
Karen, they say they don't really have the ability to make these court-ordered provisions statewide. So their hope is that this result and what they were able to do and the changes they really were able to make in Weld County will be enough for others to understand the protections that really need to be in place going forward.
The El Paso County Jail at its worst reported 849 of their 1,200 inmates were COVID positive.
We learned that the sheriff had not only failed to provide masks to prisoners until this massive outbreak in the fall, but he had actually prohibited prisoners from using masks when they were in their housing units.
The ACLU filed suit. Legal Director Mark Silverstein says the result in agreement that will require they follow more than a dozen safety provisions, including providing inmates with not one but 2 cloth masks and requiring everyone inside the facility to wear one. Deputies must also check temperatures twice a day, and inmates that test positive must be separated from the general population.
They were not doing daily monitoring of symptoms. They weren't taking vitals. That seemed to us to be extremely dangerous, and I think the jail could have lost somebody easily.
It's now the second county under similar orders, cases that Silverstein says highlight a much larger issue.
The jails are just as much a part of the community as the nursing homes, as every part of the community. The virus doesn't stop at cell doors, either going in or coming out.
Now, we did also reach out to the sheriff's office for comment tonight. They say while it is their policy not to comment on pending litigation, they can say that it has been their practice since the beginning of the pandemic that they have taken and will continue to take all necessary and appropriate steps to protect inmates. And they say they have continuously consulted with the public health department there in El Paso County on how to respond to COVID. For now, we're live in Denver. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.